So our partners, Pierpaolo and Lucca Sirch and Marco Simonit, we're working together to produce a wine of exceptional quality. As Pinot Grigio was becoming more popular and the volumes were growing, the wine was becoming less and less interesting. It was becoming more commercial, becoming more industrial. It wasn't the same level of quality as when we first introduced Pinot Grigio in the US 37, 38 years ago. So we had the idea to do a project of producing Pinot Grigio at the highest level, a level of quality that perhaps nobody else was doing. In just 2.5 years, we've become the #1 selling wine from Friuli in the United States, the 4th largest selling Pinot Grigio in the US, and the fastest growing. So the rivers here,
Yeah.
you have the
Yes.
mountains in the distance, you can see the snow on the mountains, so cool
Yes.
air. You can see here we have 35-year-old vines, all hillside vines. We have vineyards that are in different places throughout the area, so different expositions, different soil types. All together from the different locations, there's 100 hectares, which is 240 acres. Here we have 50 hectares. 60% of it is Pinot Grigio, so 30 hectares here. And then there are a number of other sites. We also have a project where we're making some Friulano, small amount of Friulano. We think there could be some potential for that as well.
The aromatic compounds very close to Sauvignon Blanc, but different to Sauvignon, and here as in a situation unique, I think, in the world for the Friulano in these hills, in this area. We play with a lot of different positions, small vineyards, different age, particularly old vines, but in different place, height, position in the hill, medium in the lower part of the hill, complexity, a lot of complexity.